studying for the bar.
Oh.
How did that go?
I mean, you got to be honest. It was terrible. Nothing
Yeah.
anyone says prepares you for it. I
Yeah.
don't think you realize until you're in it.
One of the things that struck me the most, which nobody really warned, I think, either of us about, was how lonely it was, the experience.
Oh, yes, yes.
And you're just sitting there for hours. And, the problem is everyone's studying, but you can't communicate because if I call her and I'm freaking out, I'm going to freak her out. I don't want to freak her out. But if I call her and I'm like, this essay went well, that might freak her out. Or vice versa.
I know. We were so you're so sweet. You would text me like, "Are you sure? Can we talk about this? Or
yeah,
is it
I
okay
was
to
like,
talk about this?"
I was like, we could set boundaries. Like that's fine. But I think that was the hardest part because you just felt so alone and you had no metric of how is this going? What are we doing? And our law school class was actually really good at being together and like helping each other out. So that was the first time we were really in the trenches by ourselves. And I think like I had her, thank God, just every time we would talk and complain, this is so hard. And that helped. But you were alone for the most part for like 2 months.
Well, and no one around you really understands, you know, who aren't in law school or studying. My boyfriend would be like, I know it's hard, but is it that? And I was like, you just don't understand. It's just, anything would set me off a little bit.
Yeah.
There's no right answer to anything.
No.
You couldn't really say anything without me overanalyzing or overthinking or.
Yeah. Yeah. You just hit it on the head. I didn't even think about that. After all these years, it was a very lonely experience because you're just in your head the whole time. And in the back of your mind is that competition against all those other people that are taking it. And man, it's a tough one. I remember that.